In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge multiple Google Forms into one seamlessly. Whether you're combining surveys, questionnaires, or any kind of data collection, this quick guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to consolidate all your forms with just a few clicks, all in under 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, head over to your Google Drive. If you're already logged into your Google account, you can easily find Google Drive on your list of Google apps. Once you're in Google Drive, take a look at the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt a drop-down menu showcasing several options for creating new files. In this drop-down, look for Google Forms. Click on that option. You will then have the choice to start with a blank form or use a pre-made template. For our purposes, we'll choose blank form. It's always good to start fresh when merging forms, ensuring that everything integrates smoothly. Now that you have your blank form open, you'll need to give it a name. Click on the area labelled Untitled Form at the top left. This sets up the framework of your consolidated form. It's helpful to give it a descriptive name so you can easily identify it among your documents. Next, it's time to add some questions. Look for the plus icon or the Add Question button. Click on it to manually create any introductory or additional questions you might need for your form's context. But really, the magic happens when we merge the forms. To begin merging, find the Import Questions option. It's usually represented by a small icon that resembles a file or list within your form's toolbox. Clicking on this will bring up a dialog box, prompting you to select from existing forms that you can import questions from. Browse through your Google Forms and select the form whose questions you'd like to merge into your new form setup. After selecting a form, you'll be prompted to insert these questions. To do this, click on Insert. A list of questions from that form will appear, allowing you to choose which specific questions you want to bring over. You can select multiple questions here. Once your selections are made, click Import Questions to add them to your new form. Repeat these steps for any other forms you want to pull questions from. And just like that, you've merged multiple Google Forms into a single cohesive document. Make sure to review your new form to ensure everything is in the correct order and all necessary questions have been included. Overall, merging forms can transform scattered data into a centralized, organized structure, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your data collection efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful for your form management needs.